Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. In this video, I will help you to manage your page number. This is your cover page. So I suggest your cover page is up to here, up to University of Bristol, and right after that is your abstract. So we assume that we don't want to have this page its page number. So what we need to do is go to layout, go to break, go to section break next page. Now you see, after you put this item as section break, so this is considered one section and this is considered another section. So how to say this? At the bottom here there's a blue bar here, so you right click, so we call this customize status bar. So you can check on section. After you check this, you see at the bottom there's an indicator showing section 2. So now this is section 2 where your cursor is blinking, and this is section 1. See, section 1, this is section 2. So Microsoft Word clearly understand that these are two sections. So we are going to assign this for our heading. So for this I want to give style 8. See, style 8 is going to appear on your navigation pane, and all of this is going to be your style 8. This one is style 8. This one is going to be style 8. This one is going to be your style 8. So we have to create another section for our body. So put your cursor in the front of the title of your first chapter. Use this as chapter 1 heading 1. Okay? So for this, I suggest you to create another section break next page. Put your cursor here, go to break, go to section break next page. So this is your section 2, and this is going to be your section 3. See, at the bottom of section 3. Delete this one. So it's going to be your heading 2 1.1. And how about your cheer review? So I suggest you to go to home tab, use this one in the case, and maybe you can do this way as well. Go to layout, go to break, section break next page. So this is going to be your section 3. It's going to be your section 4. Look at that. Section 4. This is your section 3. Right, the same, choose this one, so you will get chapter 2 review. This one is going to be your chapter subchapter 2.1. So it is clear from your navigation pane. You see the item. If you wanted to know why I can choose style 8 as your style, the setting is here. Modify, go to format, paragraph, and under the paragraph you choose on the indent and spacing, you see outline level 2. I have my own reason why I choose level 2, so you can choose level 1 or level 2 or level 3. So if you choose level 2, it's going to be the same as heading 2, the alignment is heading 2. If you choose chapter level 1, so it will align as the same as chapter 1 and chapter 2. Okay, I adjust to level 1. So I click OK. See, so I have another video to understand more on this. So today we are going to see our table of content. So hit modify, Okay, now I'm going to produce our table of content based on the item on navigation pane. So first of all, I think we have to insert the page number. Yeah, go to insert, go to page number. I suggest here use bottom page plain number 2, so you will get page number at the bottom of the page. So now you put your cursor here and you can insert page number. Yeah, so now you go to references, you put table of content, go to custom table of content. Okay, give this is the default, so let it be. Just choose number 3 and then click OK. See, so now you see you get abstract until 2.1, page 2 until page 9. So why page 2? Because abstract is your second page. Yeah. So now why we need to have this section break next page? Yeah? Why we need to create this section break to split between cover and abstract? Yeah. The reason why, because we want to skip number 1 here on this page. Yeah. Okay, how to do it? Yeah, go to the second page here, double click. Yeah, you see link to previous, put it off. Okay, so this number has nothing to do with number 1 here. Now you can safely delete this, and you can still maintain this number 2. Okay, now you scroll down until you go to the section 3. Yeah, section 3. You have number 7 here. And now because of this section break next page, okay, so you can control this page number with this page number. So I don't want to have number 8, I want to have number 1. Yeah, so select that number, page number, format page number, start at 1. Okay, so now go back to the page number 7 here. On your table of content, you see, so I should be able to see this one is number 1. Yeah? So what you need to do is right click and update field. You say entire table. Yeah, see, so now it is now number 2 to 7 and 1. Yeah. So this is what we wanted. Yeah, 1, 2 and so on, but you want to change from for abstract as a 2 Roman. Yeah, so go to abstract. Okay, go to page number 2, double click. Yeah, double click, select this number, page number. You say format page number. You say format page number to Roman, and then click OK. Now it is Roman. Yeah? Roman. Now go to table of content again, right click and update field. Right, so this one is Roman, this one is Arabic. Now what is the other problem you might be encounter when you write your thesis? Yeah, say for example this methodology is going to be your chapter 3. Yeah, you choose this one as your chapter 3, and then you create you create section break next page. Okay, look, this is page number 3, this is page number 4. Sometimes you see the number is not running, not continue from previous from Microsoft Word point of view. So what you need to do? Okay, I stop this video. Yeah. Alright, so see, just now it's number 4. Now I make a change so that maybe you can see this happen on your document. Yeah, so you see this page is page number 3. It is on section 4. Yeah, so but this is going to be your section 5. Yeah? Section 5, because you have this section break next page, right? So because of this instruction, then you see the number 3 and here is number 1. So what you need to do, so it is very easy. Look, I just want to prove, yeah. Go to table of content and then you right click and update field. Yeah, it's number 1. So what you need to do, go to the page which is wrong in terms of each page number, yeah. So I just want to jump. I hit my control key and jump, yeah, to this page. Yeah, this is going to be your 3.1. So this page number is wrong. Just double click, select your the number, select the number, and go to page number, format page number. You say just continue from previous. The rest of the document is continue from previous. Yeah, except for this page. Except for this page is page number 1. The rest is continue from previous. And maybe you can adjust this. Yeah, this one is start at 2. Maybe you can say start at 1 or start at 3. It doesn't matter. So the way you can control is by having this section break next page, and you can control this Roman and this Arab for this section break next page. And because of this section break next page as well, you can see the number 3 might be not the following with number 4. Thank you very much. Okay, now because I already amend for get the number 4 for this chapter 3, I go back to my table of content and I should be able to see 3.1 as well. Right click and update field, update entire table. Yeah, see, yeah, you get number 4. It is number 4.